Today, I'm going to tell you the 10 things you must do to set up your Instagram account. Stay tuned to find out. I've been using Instagram for several months now, and I have found it to be a great tool for creating a social presence, as well as getting leads. I'm always a little bit surprised when someone tells me that they have never even tried Instagram or even getting on an Instagram account. Well, I'm here to tell you you need to be on Instagram, and I'm going to get you started right now. Here are the 10 things you need to do. 1. Download the app. It seems like an obvious first step, but Instagram is different from other social networks in that it is primarily a mobile platform. Once your account is set up, you will have a page that can be viewed on desktop, but the majority of your activity will take place within the mobile app. All you have to do is go to your app on your phone, look for the Instagram app, and download it. It's free. 2. Choose a recognizable username. You can sign up for Instagram with an email address or personal Facebook account, your choice. Once you sign up, you'll be asked to choose a username. Your username will display publicly and will be what people see when they find you on Instagram. Make sure the username you choose is recognizable and is as close to your business or your personal name, should you desire, as possible. When signing up, Instagram will also ask for your full name. You can put your full business name or your personal name, which will make it easier for people to find you through Instagram search. Number 3, update your profile. Instagram lets you fill out a 150-character bio about your business. Because of the text limitations, you'll want to be very clear and concise about who you are and what you offer. If you serve a local customer base, you'll also want to add your location. Use the bio to share your mission and a little personality. You can also add your website, which users will be able to click to visit right from their mobile device. By the way, this is the only clickable link in Instagram, so make it count. 4, add a professional looking profile picture. The perfect Instagram profile photo will be 400 by 400 pixels, but what's most important is that the photo you choose is recognizable to people who know you or, if you like, your business. The choice is up to you as to whether to use a personal photo or a business logo. Also, your profile photo can only be updated on a mobile device. If you don't have your logo saved to your smartphone or tablet, Instagram has the option to import it from Facebook or Twitter. Number 5, research. It might not sound fun, but without having a good understanding of the type of pictures others are posting, you won't know what content tends to do well. And lucky for you, Instagram research is less staring at piles of data, wearing a lab coat kind of research, and more a look at the pretty pictures kind of research. You can start by finding a business or influencer in your niche or industry that has a popular Instagram following and also has high levels of engagement. What to do, see what they send, see what they tend to send. What type of images do they use? Do they use video? Even if you want to differentiate yourself from the competition, it is essential that you know what others are doing. 6, post your first photo. Okay, now your profile is set up. It's time to post your first image. Here is a quick run through of how Instagram works. First, click the icon on the bottom in the middle of the screen. You can either take a photo by pressing the circle in the middle of the screen or click Library on the bottom left to upload a photo of your own. Note, video on the right enables you to take a video up to 1 minute. If you're uploading a photo, you will have the option to crop it first. After that, you'll have options for different enhancements. Those are fun. You can choose from a number of filters that scroll across the bottom of the app. Double tap the filter to add a border or alter the strength of the filter. You can also click Edit to access a number of other photo editing features. These are fun to play with, and they can really make your image or video look a lot cleaner and or more beautiful or eye-catching. Once you're happy with your photo, hit Next in the top right of the screen. Here, you'll be able to add a caption. It is also extremely important to add hashtags to your caption. There are a number of schools of thought as to the best place to position your hashtags. I've had very good luck with just hitting the period and return 4 or 5 times after you're finished with your main caption. Then post all 30, yes, 30 of your hashtags. This gives your post a much cleaner look. I find it easier than going back and putting your hashtags in your comments. Hashtags are important because that's how people will find you on Instagram. They need to be relevant to your business. For example, a couple of the hashtags I use are hashtag online marketing and hashtag internet marketing. You can find good hashtags just by looking at some of the people you admire and seeing what hashtags they're using. 8. Tell people you're on Instagram. Leverage your existing channels to let people know your business is on Instagram. Let them know on your Facebook page. If you have an email list, you can also send out an announcement and ask readers to follow you. Or you can also just add an occasional PS to your emails reminding people that your Instagram page. 9. Follow other Instagrams. Search function makes it so easy to find people and influencers to follow. You can search by username or select a hashtag that may be relevant to your business. Following more people and businesses is a great way to make new connections and can also provide inspiration for your Instagram account. 10. Get social. You've set up your account, learned the basics, and found the right people to follow. Now you are ready to start building a presence for yourself on Instagram. A key component of building an audience on Instagram is engaging with the people who follow you. When someone likes or comments on one of your photos or videos, you'll receive a notification. Also, don't wait for someone to comment on your posts. Reach out to others, with a friendly comment. Start a conversation and see where it takes you. You will also receive notifications when someone tags you in a photo. You can view all of the photos you've been tagged in on your Instagram profile. Also, don't be shy about promoting yourself and your business. I often will do a short video leading to people to a YouTube or Facebook video that always has a call to action. I also really like to make my own memes, usually motivational or inspirational in nature. Make a corresponding comment and then a call to action. People won't mind. I do it all the time, and I cannot tell you how many people tell me how much they enjoy my page, call to actions or not. I've done another training on how to make my memes, and I'll be sure to leave a link for you. I hope this really helps you get over any fear or trepidation you may have about getting started on Instagram. It took me a while too, but once I did, there was no stopping me. It's one of my absolute favorite things during my day, and it may become that way for you too.